Hi, I'm Adrian from Lubricants, and today I'm with our brand ambassadors, Martin and Dave Jenkins, and we'll be talking about commercial vehicle lubrication on this particular episode. We're in a commercial vehicle workshop. And both of you gents have spent a lot of time with commercial vehicles over the years, servicing them, so...
Too much time.
Too much time, okay, so I suppose the opening question is, what kind of changes have you seen, commercial vehicle servicing over the years? What's changed for you?
I think the biggest thing now is being absolutely spot on with your choice of oils. Yeah. That's the thing now. You used to have 2 barrels of engine oil in the garage, didn't you? And one drum of gear oil. But so the job's changed now so much. So it's about having the right products for the right job. That's the one thing that, and I employ a few blokes that do it all for us, and keeping them abreast of making sure that they're putting the right oil in the right application.
So it's definitely an increase in complexity in terms of lubrication on these vehicles. Yeah,
that's what I'd say. Yeah,
you see exactly the same.
Latest spec of engine, you've got generally demands the latest spec of oil. So just keep on top of that.
Yeah. And I think what we've missed, isn't it, in the industry, or it's been going on, is the importance of the oil now, other than just for doing the lubrication job. With the emissions and the soot that the oil needs to carry now to help to get it out. And if you miss your oil change intervals, or you've got the wrong oil in now, then you've got catastrophic failures now, because the oil's got so much more soot in it now than it ever used to have in it before with the older engines. So you do see the engines that have missed their oil change interval, you see them now in a far worse state really than they used to be in before.
Yeah, gotcha. So critical maintenance, extremely important, and I'm going to say the lubricant part plays a critical part in that from your perspective.
Yeah.
And I suppose customer satisfaction comes with that as well. So you want to make sure your customers are happy, because this is a B2B kind of situation we're in here, aren't we? And you want return customers and return business. So is getting the quality right really super important in terms of your business?
For me, it's the quality's super important, because I need the peace of mind to know that I'm not going to get any comeback off the work that we've done today, that we've made a little bit of money out of. I don't need that coming back getting me in 6 months' time, because we've got warranty issues on quality of product that we're supplying. So my business is all about the quality of the product and the service.
I work in all mine's fleet work. So it's all about reliability. You just don't want the thing breaking down.
Because these are people's businesses, aren't they? So they don't want them in the workshop. Although it's nice for you to be servicing them in the workshop, they want to be there for the right reasons, don't they? Rather than repair. So obviously there's been a lot of specification changes over the years. How do you keep up to date with that? Do you use obviously tech service support like Morris Lubricants offers? Is that important to you?
We live on the Watt Oil app.
So that's our online portal.
My guys just use that as their go-to. That's the thing for it.
So and in terms of kind of servicing these vehicles, and we talked about lubrication changing, is there a lot more intensity in terms of servicing these vehicles now? Does it take longer? Is it more involved? Is that changed as well, or is that pretty much always been the same?
No, the vehicles are more complicated, aren't they, I guess, but and some of the access isn't like it used to be, isn't it? That's what you find, isn't it? Like, you used to be able to just get underneath something, spin an oil filter off it. It's not quite like that now, is it? With the EGR all over the side of the engine, and all the rest of the stuff that we have to contend with. But we competent blokes, aren't we, allegedly? So we can do the job.
From my side of things, I'd say it's pretty easier now on these later things. I mean, we don't. Well, they're saying 100,000 miles. I think it's saying 120,000 miles. That new spec of engine. New super engine.
There's 150, 200,000 kilometres. Certain truck manufacturers talking about
that's madness. I think I'd always been doing it a bit before, but they're just saying drop the oil out. Quick release sump plugs now. I don't know where the benefit of that is, but that's the thinking.
Keep it moving, And I'm assuming in terms of lubrication, it's not only engine, of course. You'll be changing the oil on the transmission systems, axles, and the same care. I suppose you need the same care and attention in making sure you've got the right lubricant for those particular parts of the vehicle as well.
Your gearboxes have become more complicated, haven't they, now, with the automatic gearboxes and
the AMTs, the automatic manual transmission.
That's the words I was trying to get out. So, you've obviously got different grades of oil in there, and then you've got different grades of oil in the actuators as well to make those systems work. So you've got to be abreast of that.
So there's increasing complexity there as well.
Absolutely.
And of course everything talks to each other now, doesn't it, as well? Because the engine ECU talks to the transmission system, talks to
main coordinators issue. I'm shaking my head already. Problems. But keep on top.
So we'll keep on. So in terms of specifications, that's important. keeping on top of that, keeping on top of the vehicle's requirements. Any warranty? I mean, is there any warranty work do you get involved with?
In what respect?
Say servicing warranted vehicles.
Oh, with the main dealers? Sorry, with the manufacturer's warranty.
Yeah.
No, we do. We get involved in that. So we have to be sure that we're putting the right product in.
Yeah. So that puts a high next level of importance on making the correct lubricant choice.
Definitely.
Yeah. Terrific.
Yeah, like you look at the new Scania, for example. They say you don't change the gearbox oil in that. That's an oil.
That's right,
that's an oil in
crazy,
there for life. Which
is it really?
A million kilometres, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, we won't keep them long enough where I am. You know what I mean?
We won't sell much oil for those particular gearboxes, but there you go.
That's what they're saying.
Excellent. So Dave, do you think customers understand the importance of choosing the correct lubricant when it comes to servicing, and do they place a lot of trust in you to make sure you're doing it right?
Yeah, well, we're a small business, so we have good knowledge with our customers, and the trust is back there, between the customers themselves. Do they understand the importance of it? No, not until it goes wrong. Do they trust us to do the right thing for them by them, and can we do that with Morris's products? And yeah, absolutely we can.
Perfect, yeah. And have you seen any horror stories on poor quality, low performance products where you've got that engine for the first time and you've
Yeah, but they generally come in broken, don't they? When they come, we've had a car in last week that's had an oil pump failure because of it hadn't been oil changed before. So we've been able to put an oil pump in that car and fill it full of Morris's and tell the bloke what a recommended interval is and send him on his way again.
So once you repaired all that damage, then they run squeaky on the correct product. Yeah, perfect. So obviously you're servicing a whole range of different commercial vehicles. So how important is it to you that you have the products available for all the different makes and models?
It's absolutely imperative that we've got the right oil there in stock to do the job with, to cover we do car and commercial vehicle servicing, so we need to have a huge range of products, and we can find that in the Morris's range. Everything that we need is covered. So
makes, models, ages, whatever. So we're able to help you and satisfy those needs.
Yeah, because we're a small independent business, that we go from having people coming in with classic cars right through to the latest stuff that's covered by manufacturers' warranties, and we've got to be sure that we've got the right products available to fulfill all those needs.
So we're ticking your boxes for you, basically.
Definitely.
Excellent. Cheers, Dave. Thanks for your input today, guys. Much appreciated. Thank you very much.
Cheers. Great to see you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.